to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn EVS. Come on students, let us begin our lesson. Today's subject is Environmental Studies Part 1 of Standard 4th and the lesson name is Maps and Symbols. Dear children, in the 13th lesson we have studied about directions and maps, isn't it? Right? Okay, now we will proceed to this lesson and we will learn something more about maps and the symbols used in the maps. Okay? See here, a boy is standing and facing towards the sun. Correct? And here we studied about these four main directions in the last lesson. Facing towards the sun, and you know that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So this direction is nothing but east. Facing towards the sun means that side is east and the opposite side, that is nothing but west, right? And the right hand side shows south and left hand side shows north. Correct? These are called four main directions. Right? Now see this compass rose. We have already prepared this in the last lesson. We will go through quickly. Now compass rose is a card and which has four main and four sub directions. Right? For main you know that is east, west, north and south, and always that is upside that is north side and downside that is south side. To the right east and to the left it is west. And we use this to locate the directions on the map, isn't it? And between the northwest and northeast there are two sub directions, and between southeast and southwest there are two more directions, right? They are called as sub directions. Now you can see here a map of India with different directions. Now we will study this, then we will come to know which are the main and which are the sub directions. Dear children, this is east, eastern side of India. This is west side of India. This is north and this is south side of India. This is northwest, means between north and west the direction is called as northwest. This is northeast, means between north and east, that is called northeast. This is between south and east, so it is called as southeast. And this is between south and west, so it is called as southwest. Altogether there are four main directions and four sub directions, isn't it? Dear children, this picture is from your textbook, page number 86. Here we can see so many different things, right? We can see water portion, here grass, hills, tree, house. This is well. You can see here school is there. This is water tank. Correct? Here we can see different things. Some of these are man-made and others are they found naturally. Means they are natural things. Right? First we will differentiate between the natural things and man-made things. See here, natural things in this picture are, see this is a river, that is a water portion. Can you see this blue color? That is a river. Here these are hills. Hill is a natural one. Then these grasslands. Can you see here? Grass or these are naturally occurred. Now this tree also. This is also a natural thing. Isn't it? And rest all. See this is a house that is man-made. And this school is also a man-made. And this well, the wall of the well, this is a man-made one. And this water tank tower, this is also a man-made. Isn't it? Man uses natural resources to make the things. For this, these are called man-made things. He uses natural things in his own way to make the new things. These are called as man-made things. Okay, see for example, if you want to build a house, he uses trees, then bricks, he uses sand, he uses water. Got this? Means he uses natural things or natural resources to make a thing that is called man-made. Okay? Dear children, this is a locality or an area of Anju's house. Anju is a girl like you. She stays here in this locality. Okay, and we will try to study about this. Okay, there are some questions. We will try to find out the answer for these questions so that we can understand this picture. Okay, this is on your textbook page number 87. If you want to refer that, you can also open that page number and you go through that picture. Okay, now first question is find Anju's house. Yes, this is Anju's house. I will circle this. This is Anju's house. Okay, now second question. Find Anju's school. We have to search for Anju's school. Yes, here it is. This is Anju's school. Okay. Now we will move to third question. Find the route from the Anju's house to Anju's school. Dear children, we know Anju's house is here and Anju's school is here. Isn't it? Now she will move or she will go to school every day. Which route she uses? We will see. Here she moves from her house. See like this. Can you see here? Blue dotted lines. And she will move further in the same direction. Then she will take left. See this. And she reached her school. This is her first route. There are two routes for Anju to go from her house to reach the school. We will go for second route also. See, this is up to here. She will come to the same road. She will use the same road. Then she will turn left here. Okay. And up to here she will move and she will walk like this only. And again she takes the right here. And she reaches this main road. And she reaches her school. Means she can use different routes. there are two routes. Correct? Okay. This is the answer for third question. Now fourth question. Note the things seen on the way from Anju's house to Anju's school. Here so many things are there. Can you see? She uses sometimes the first route like this. See, this is her first route, going straight and then taking left on the main road, right? Which all the things can be seen here. See, this is a Jilla Parishad office. She has to cross this. Then she has to cross this hotel also. On the left hand side hotel is there, and on the right side Jilla Parishad office is there. And here front police chowki is there. Right? And here you can see district telephone exchange too. Beside this police chowki, telephone exchange. Right? And opposite to that district hospital is there. Yes. Then she reaches her school. She has to cross all these. Right? By the first road. Okay, if she chooses the second road, which is in yellow dotted lines, then what all things she has to cross? You will see this hotel will be there and district hospital will be there on the right side, and she has to cross this post office that she will get on the left side. Correct? Then afterwards central market. Then here park is there. She crosses the park. Correct? Then she reaches her school. Got this? Next question is, mention the directions in which she must turn on the way to school. Yes, you are thorough with the directions, isn't it? Okay. Anju left her house. She moved towards north, isn't it? Upside means upper side always it shows north, right? She moves towards the north. Then she took left, means that is nothing but west side, right? Means she moved, she left her house, she walked straight towards the north for some time up till she reaches the main road. Then she took left side, means she moved towards the west and reached to her school. Got this? Now from second route, again same thing starting. She left her house and she moved towards north for some time, and she turned left on the first lane. Okay, and up to the central market she continued to walk, and when she reached the park she turned to north. She selected north direction and afterwards a little west, and she reached her school. Got this, children? Upper side means north, downside means south, to the right means this is east, and to the left means that is west direction. Right? Here small map, small direction showing map you can see here. Here directions, isn't it? North, south, east and west. We can use this while showing the route. Got this? Okay, see this. Again, this is a locality of Anju, where she lives. Okay, but here this is called sketch. It is not a picture. It is not a map. It is a sketch. What is the difference between the picture and the sketch? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. Picture means there are real pictures of a house, post office, trees, hotel, just we gone through, right? But in the sketch, we use symbols for each picture, each thing. See the trees. Can you see here? So many trees are there. Here, this park, this is district hospital. Each and every place is here. Nothing is missed, but they are in symbols. Here we used symbols to show them. Got this? This is called sketch of that area. Okay? Got this? Here we can see the roads too. Right? Main road, lanes, we can see each and everything. But it is not according to the scale. This is called sketch. Now, I will show both. This is a picture of Anju's locality and this is the sketch of Anju's locality. We will compare these two. Here, this house, we can see so many houses. Here is one more. Here is also a house. Here is also a house. Please observe my cursor. Okay, here see the houses. We used symbols like this black colored symbols like arrow marks. Correct? These are nothing but houses. Right? Here this is pink colored. What is there here? Yes, in this picture it is post office. Right? Here also it is written post office. Correct? We have used this symbol and this color to show the post office. See this park here. This is a rectangular green colored. This is park. This is symbol for park. You can compare this sketch along with this picture. Each and everything is there in the sketch. See the hotel. See the police chowki. See this telephone exchange. Anju's school. Right? And here Jilla Parishad office. And so many trees. Here in this picture you can see so many trees. Same trees are there in the sketch. But here we use symbols. Got this? I hope you understood about the sketch and the picture. Right? Okay. Now here some points are there that you have to remember. Okay, we will go through the points. First one, we made use of different symbols while making this sketch. You know this, right? Different symbols for houses we use, for trees, for different buildings we use different colors and different shapes also. Isn't it? Okay, next thing is, this is very important, to convert a sketch into a map. Now, dear children, see this. First we saw the picture, then we studied about the sketch. Now, third thing is converting a sketch into a map. You need to show the directions and include an index, a title and a scale. These four things are very, very important in the map. Then only that is called as map. Otherwise it becomes sketch. For this, I will tell you in detail about all these. Okay. Next, moving objects are not included on a map. Map needs permanent things. For this, map needs permanent things. This mobile, like people walking, moving vehicles, flying birds, we cannot show them on the map because they are moving, isn't it? They are temporary, right? And map needs permanent things. Okay, we will study one or two maps, then you will become thorough with the map. See dear children, this is not a sketch. This is a map. Map of Anju's locality. Why this is called map? Yes, just now we gone through that map needs 4 compulsory things. That is first one, directions. Second, title. Third, scale. And fourth, index. Okay, if all these 4 things are there on this, then it is called as map. Right? Okay, we will check. First thing is direction. Can we see here? See, this is direction. Okay, first thing is there. Right? Directions are shown here. Second thing is title. See, this is a title or heading. What this sketch about? What this map about? See, this is Anju's house and surroundings. This is the title for this map. Okay, second thing is also over. Now we will move to third one. That is scale must be there. See, this is a scale. 0 to 5 to 10 meters. In meters, in kilometers, in centimeters. We can use any scale according to the map. Okay. See, means the third thing is also there, that is scale is mentioned here. Next thing is index. Yes, you can see here this index column. Index column contains different symbols and the words for which the symbols is used. See, this is used to show the trees. Can you see here? This is used to show the colony. For this pink color dot is used to show the bus stop. Green color rectangle is used to show the park. This is house, so that we can read by using the index. We can read the map thoroughly. For this, here you can see the roads too. Am I right? So this is a perfect map because it has all the 4 things, that is directions, title, scale and index. For this, if you need, we will try one more. See, population map of India 2019. This is called map because it has directions, it has title, it has index and scale. This is index and scale. Okay. Got this? See, here also total population, all thing is given. Right? Now, here different colors are shown for different states. You can see here states, right? This is our Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. So many states, 28 states you can see here, right? And there are different colors are given to these states. Yes, if you want to study, we must have to go to the index and see this. Here orange color shows high population and slowly it decreases, and the green color shows that the lowest population or less populated area. Got this? Here 2 questions are there. We will try to answer them. See, the first question is states with more population. Children, will you help me to answer this? States with more population. Please go through the index. See, this is our index. Please go through and tell me which are the states with more population, highly populated areas. Yes, very good. Orange colored states, they are highly populated. Yes, we will mention their names here. Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Only 3 states, they are orange in color because they have more population. Got this? We will move to second question. States with low population. Yes, here in the index, green color shows a dark green, correct? That shows the low population area. Okay, we will select them and we will write their names as the answer for the second question. Okay, you can see here Himachal Pradesh. Sorry, this Himachal Pradesh. Then this is Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. Isn't it? These all have less population area. Now dear children, see, this is for you map keys. Here you can see the map and here you can see the railway track also. We can use like these keys. See here, this is a bridge. How we use the symbol for bridge? See here, you can see a bridge. Okay, now this is capital city. See the star and round. That is a capital city. And see, this is a dirt road, small road. Okay, and this water portion, lake. These are mountains. See this, and this we can show. This is a railway track, right? Then river, like this. See here, this is a river. And road, this is a main road. Got this? Like these keys we can use in our index. Okay. Use your brain power. Again, sketch and map. This is a map, isn't it? Tanvi's house and surroundings. This is a map. Find and circle the mistakes in the map. Okay, there are some mistakes in the map. You know about the map, how the map should be, and what is there in the map. Only the permanent things, temporary things we cannot show on the map, isn't it? You know that, right? Like moving objects, we can't show. Okay, now one thing is there, it is in your textbook. Try this first. You pause my video, try that first, and then come to my video and again you play that and check the answers. Okay, now here we will find out the mistakes. See this, I will circle. Yes, a person is walking. It is not allowed in the map, isn't it? Second thing is, see, this vehicle is moving. This is also a mistake. And here you can see the bird is flying. Got this? These three are moving. So they are not allowed in the map. Okay? Here one question is there. Jacob has to make a map of his locality. He saw the things shown in the box alongside in his locality. Which of these things should he show in his map? Help him. Yes. Here we will go through the things which are shown in the box. Okay. And we will help this boy to make to prepare the map. Yes, dear children, the first one is a house. Yes, this he can use in the map. Right? We will write down a flying crow. No, this is a moving object, so we can't show on the map. Next, a police station. Yes, this is a permanent building. We can show on the map. Then cows, no, they move from one place to another, right? So cows, this is wrong. Then a post office, yes, we can show. Then buffaloes, yes, they are also moving, they move, so this is also wrong one. Then a school, yes. A vehicle, no, right? A square, yes. Chowki, we have to show this, correct? A road, yes, it must be there. Then a tower, yes, we have to show this. And a farm, yes, this is also a right one. Got this? Here the flying crow, cows, buffaloes, a vehicle. These we cannot show on the map, right? Yes, dear children, here our state has a historical heritage. Maharashtra has forts near the sea, in the mountains and on the plains. Write the names of districts which have forts. Yes, this is our Maharashtra state map, correct? And here in the index, go to index, here you can see the fort. This symbol is used, see this symbol is used for the fort, right? Can you see here? And these symbols you can see here, see this Shuniri, see this here. Can you see so many forts? It is in your textbook. You can go through that. That is on page number 90. Okay, you can go through that and you have to do this as homework. Only thing is you have to write the district names. Okay, where this fort belongs to. Okay, you have to write this. Will you do this? Okay. Now, what we have learned today, we will go through once. First thing, identifying man-made and natural elements on a map. Right? You know about the natural things and you know about the man-made. Right? Second thing, our environment has both natural and man-made objects. Special symbols are used for making a map. Right? This all you know. Correct? Okay, one more activity is there. Which of the maps shown below is complete? Now, dear children, there are two maps. This is of Yavatmal district. Okay, both the maps are of Yavatmal district. Now, this is A and this is B. Observe this carefully and tell me which is a correct map, which is a map and which is not a map. You know that if the map shows 4 compulsory things, then that is called as map. Please go through that and tell me which is a map and which is not. Okay, see this. First, the map should have direction. Title, correct? Directions, title, scale, can you see here? And index. These all 4 things are in a map, a picture. So that is called as, this is a map. And here we cannot see the direction. We can see here the title, but we can't see here the scale and the index, isn't it? So B is not a map. Got this? Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe and try to do the homework. Okay. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.